Hi everyone, welcome to this video in which I will show how you can measure the intent of a visitor to leave your website with a Matomo Tag Manager. This idea came from this forum post that I saw, which is saying how to judge visitors leaving the website. So of course you already have some metrics in Matomo Analytics, such as the exit rate, just the exit, let's say, as well. And I mean, you can also measure it with the bounce rate or other indicators. My idea was why not using actually the strengths of Matomo Tag Manager in order to measure all that out. So actually I already made some tests, and as you can see, it's working well, right? It's sending as an event the intent to leave with the mouse going out of the window. It's very simple to implement. Actually, I never implemented for real website, just for my local website here. So basically it's composed of tags. So the first one that you need to set it up is, of course, the Matomo Analytics tag. So you need to have Matomo installed on all the pages of your website. And then you need to add actually a custom HTML tag, which will be created as follows. So you put the name that you want. In my case, I just named it intent to leave the website as an event. Then the configuration will be the one of an event tracking. So you just need to go here on this page, pick it up, the track event tracking code. Then actually you just put a script tag here, and then you insert the text that you would like to push when this specific event is fired. So in my case, it's intent to leave and mouse going out of the window. I'm just gonna add something like it works, just in order to show you that it works. Then actually you need to configure is a trigger. So the trigger that you need to pick it up is the one dealing with the window leave type. So if you go under create a trigger tab, you will see you will have to pick this one up. Okay, window leave. Let's see how it works for real. So I'm just gonna update this one up. Okay, so as it's finished now, I can publish it. So I'll call it new demo because that's not the first time that I'm doing this demo. Publishing it, and then yeah, that should be okay. Okay, and now I'm going on my website. I'm gonna track maybe on this page. The TMS has just been released, and what I will do is I'm gonna show you debug mode by going up here, and actually I think the tag already fired because I somehow already tried to leave the window, but let's see how it works. Okay, so here is my debug mode. So as you can see, I have my page view which has been fired, which represents my first Matomo Analytics tag. I have a custom event tag. That's because I didn't clean it up my template, and because I manually inserted a data layer. And now if I move my mouse close to the window in order to leave, oops, nothing's gonna happen because this one is a scroll bar. But if I go here, wow, I have the window leave. And if I click here on the window leave, I have my tag which is properly fired. So if I go now within the visitor log report and that I refresh my page, I should be happy because I should see my new tags, which is saying, oh, intent to leave, a mouse going out of the window, it works. And as I previously said, actually another one has been fired because I was on another page before. Thanks for watching. I really hope that this tutorial helped you understand a little bit how you can improve the measurement of visitor leaving your website. And I really hope that actually this tutorial will be valuable for you. Thanks for watching.